Good day viewers, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to refresh your SLTV decoder, whereby you have recharged but the subscription is yet to reflect or show on your decoder. So the first thing you have to do is that go to your browser and type the website sltvpro.com and you click on it. Then by those three red dots by the top right hand side, you click on it. Then swipe down and switch to desktop site. Click on desktop site. So by this, the website is going to be very much responsive. So then click on recharge my SLTV. Then here you paste your decoder ID. It's on your decoder. I've already copied mine. Then you put in the password SLTVmetro. That's the password, SLTV Metro. So once you put in the password, then you click on log in. Once you're logged in, please ignore this message that does pop up. Just click OK and you're good to go. Then the next thing you're going to do, you have to look for where it says refresh by the left hand side. The tab that says refresh, you click on refresh. So you just click on refresh, then swipe right, and then this place in green that says refresh, you click on it too. And then your decoder is going to refresh in the next 30 seconds. So if you have done this but your decoder is yet to be refreshed and the channels have not yet started playing, you can kindly log out and log in to the website again using the same process we used earlier and repeat the whole process, and your decoder should be refreshed and you should be good to go. Everything is going to come back to normal. So make sure that your decoder is always on desktop mode or desktop site for this process. So that should be all. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel so that I can be able to shoot or show you more videos like this. Thank you very much.